Hey there guys, look where we are. We are at Central Park North, and this is basically the area where we used to live for like maybe 17 years before we moved to New Jersey. So we came today just randomly to walk around on a nice day, and look what we found. This beautiful pool. It used to exist here years ago too, but it wasn't as nice as it is now. I think they did renovation a couple years ago, and so it looks super modern now. We are very excited to be here, just like in the past. Brings us good memories from Jayden's childhood. So, you know, I think now that this pool is so beautiful and renovated, we are tempted to come back. Maybe this weekend, on the Labor Day weekend, and swim in it, because we didn't bring any swimsuits or bikini or nothing. So yeah, let me show you guys around Central Park North, where we used to live. We spent a lot of summers and winters and all kinds of weather together, going for a walk, jogging, etc. So yeah, let's go, shall we? So look, this pool has like an oval shape, looks like an egg. Very cute, very clean. We have like guards and everything. Looks like the second part of the pool is closed off. I guess they don't have enough people today. Surprisingly, because it's really hot today. Maybe because it's Thursday or something. Hopefully when we'll come here on a weekend, it's not gonna be super full with people. We'll see. We'll find out, I guess. Wish us luck.
Yeah, well, look, there's a sticker.
Where? Oh yeah, what is that?
Ooh, we should pick it up.
What does it say? Ooh, ocean reds. Very cute. Surfing. Yeah. Wow, so pretty. You can see they use some nice landscapers to design all this. Looks gorgeous. Wow. Can't get enough of this. The little girl is crying. She probably doesn't want to leave the pool. I mean, who would want to leave that, right? The major renovation at the north end of Central Park is the $160 million Davis Center, which opened in April 2025. It replaces the old Lasker Ring and pool that we still remember with a new year-round recreational facility that includes a swimming pool in the summer, an ice skating rink in the winter, and a public green space for the spring and fall seasons. It looks like, I don't know, it says exit. Where's the pool entrance? Oh, it's both. There's a pool entrance and there's a pool exit. So yeah, this pool should be free because it's a public pool. There's a lot of pools in New York. You can come into these pools for free in summertime and enjoy it. Pretty cool. Look at this lake. Wow. They planted lots of plants and flowers. They didn't have that before, years ago. Really taking care of it now. It's beautiful. What does this say? Captain Boardwalk. I wonder if this person maybe donated money or something. That's why it's called that way. Beautiful. Cute little keys here. Skating themselves. This is new too. They did not have this whole walkway. It used to be just like some sort of like a ground natural walkway. And then they made the whole bridge here. So cool. What do you think? You like this?
Yes.
New renovation? Reminds you when you were a little kid? They changed a lot. Wow. Yeah, they put this whole metal walkway here that wasn't here before. Excited to walk around and see the whole thing all around the lake. The water looks really green here. By the way, this lake, I think it's called Harlem Meer. They kept the same name. There's like a little center there. You see that little house? We're gonna walk by shortly. They used to have all kinds of activities for kids. You can rent fishing poles and you can buy some like little Central Park souvenirs and things like that. I wonder if it's still open. Oh, and sometimes they will rent you boats. You could take a boat around here. But it seems like it's a lot of algae right now, so I don't think people are allowed to go in boats here right now because of algae.
Harry.
It's a little turtle. Hello, little guy or girl. And it's one under. Hard to see anything through this green like stuff. JJ, let's keep going. Let's see what else they got here now. Let's see what else changed. It's crazy. It's been only 3 years since we moved, but it feels like a big change somehow. Time flies, I swear. And changes are inevitable, as usual. So beautiful. Well, they better not. Wow, this whole thing wraps around the lake. There are, of course, rocks. These rocks, that's what keeps New York stable, you know. That's why we can have like skyscrapers and subway underground and everything because of these rocks. Make Manhattan really strong.
The rocks in Central Park are primarily Manhattan schist, a type of rock that makes up the island's bedrock. Formed around 460 million years ago, this durable bedrock is the one that supports Manhattan's sky.
We used to live in the buildings like over there. You can't really see it, but behind those buildings for many, many years. It's right on 112th Street and like Madison Avenue. So yeah, lots of good memories from this park for sure. Of course, can't escape the noise of the sirens. It's very New York for sure. No matter where you are in the park or in the middle of the city, you'll hear that almost all the time. Oh, what's this? It says weed removal work in progress. I'm sorry. Ah, interesting. Definitely doing some work here. I think they're trying to remove the weed and just keep like the nice plants here. Oh, it's really pretty. Well, I guess the little what do you call it, like a steel metal walk around ended, and now we're back to the ground, just like it used to be. It used to wrap all around the Harlem Meer lake. Now they changed the part of it to the metal walkway, like a boardwalk but metal one. And now the rest is basically kept the same, looks like. Just like the olden days. And this one is called Rock Wall. See, these rocks are everywhere throughout Central Park, not just in the north part. If you guys ever been to Central Park, you know these rocks are everywhere. It's very cool. I remember JJ and me used to climb up here a lot, especially when he was little. JJ, you want to climb it again? No. There you go. Not so much anymore, but yeah, we've done it a lot back in the days. Okay, so we walked around the Harlem Meer. It's basically the end of it. And now we're gonna go into Conservatory Garden. That's like a beautiful garden right next to it. You guys will see. It has all kinds of flowers and people do like weddings there, photo shoots and things like that. So let's hope it's open right now. I forget what time it closed. We're just kind of like just walking around, see what we can see, right? Let's find out. It's open! Look, the main gate is open. Let's go see it. Oh yes, there it is, the fountain. Nothing here kind of changed. It's always been beautiful. I remember kids used to put like little coins inside that fountain.
The audacity of that child.
Yeah, they have bathrooms here, some drinkable water. Oh, here's the main fountain too. All these walkways are so pretty. Oh, here's the main fountain. We used to dip our feet inside the fountain back in the days, not gonna lie. It's so beautiful. It's so hot. It used to be taller, that's true. This water is a little on the low pressure today, but here it is. You still see some coins inside. Wow. Yeah, this is where people like to make photo shoots for their weddings, photography and stuff. So pretty. It's all around like 110th Street. If you guys take a train to 110th Street, either it's a 6 train or 2 or 3 train, you'll come out by this part of the park. Highly recommend. It's super beautiful here. This is a great walk right before the school starts for Jayden. So we're having fun today. It's the last week of freedom, right, boy? He knows. He knows this place really well. Spent so much time here. And this is like another garden. Super beautiful. Oh, it smells actually really nice. Wow. Alright, I guess we're gonna leave the park now. We're gonna leave the park right now. And come back, JJ. Running away from me. Someone was filming him. We're gonna go probably up the hill. There used to be a hill that like all the kids will go up. You can see like a nice view of the park and the buildings by 110th Street. So let's go see if it's still standing there. You see, guys, this hill? I remember during winter time, that's where the kids would go and slide, and we used to do the same thing. It was so much fun. Like, you know, just like when it covers with snow and you just go down the mountain, super fun. Now we're gonna try to climb that up and find the hill that I was talking about, where you can see a beautiful view of Central Park. Let's go. Oh, let's look at this poster. So yeah, this is their like renovation poster where they changed Davis Center at the Harlem Meer. So yeah, they do ice skating here. They used to do it back in the days too. Here do like the ice skating in the winter. Jayden used to come here with his school when he was in elementary school. So in winter they would turn it into ice skating rink, that pool that you guys saw, and kids would ice skate. It was like part of the school program. I guess they're still doing it. Oh shoot, there it is. That's the hill. You see the flag on top? That's where we used to go. All right, let's go. Let's see if we can survive this little hill. All right, let's go. Come on, come on. Hopefully we can handle this. Oh look, the kids looks like they were drawing here. Look at that one, so cute. So yeah, I told you kids love these like rocks. All right, let's keep going, guys. I think we can do this. What the? Now. Oh, here we are at the top. Maybe not at the top of the world, but high enough. Here you guys see all these buildings in the back, so pretty. Some people here. Here we are. Let's go closer. Wow. Here's the top, right above Harlem Meer. Right there. That's where we used to live, behind those like tall buildings. There was a building. Still standing, I'm assuming. Yeah, that's where we lived before we moved. Oh, look at this beautiful location. So cool, right? There's some people here too, exploring. Alright, well, you guys saw a little piece of Central Park. It's just the northern part. People call it Central Park North, just like the train station. So yeah, you got to see the place where we spent a lot of time together growing up, and it's nice to be back, you know. But we'll come back this weekend, I think, just to go swim in the pool before they close it. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye. Oh, the nature in Central Park. Here they are. The family of squirrels, always looking for a nut. Climbing up the trees. There are a lot of raccoons here too. We've seen them a lot in the past. I'm sure they're still lurking in the woods. They usually come out at night, so you can't see them right now, I guess. But maybe later if we're still in the park. Look how cute they are. Hi, little guys. Where are you going? Alright, bye-bye.
Thank you guys for coming on this adventure with us. Stay tuned for the next video when we'll be coming back swimming in the free pool in Central Park North. Please leave me a comment if you enjoyed this walk with us, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more adventures. Bye!